Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Effie and today I have a very interesting video. I want to show you 5 jobs that you can do at home without any skill, without any experience. So guys, for example, you can use this website to remove background for your images freely, like you won't even pay a single cent. So guys, stay along and let's keep doing this. So guys, you can do these 5 jobs at home. The number 1 job that you can try out is removing image background. Number 2 job is commenting on blog posts. Number 3 job is transcribing. Number 4 job is being a virtual assistant. And the 5th job that you can try out is doing better reading. So guys, let's try things out. So guys, for you to remove background for your images, you can use this site here called Remove BG. In this site, all you will have to do is uploading your image, and let me just show you the steps that you will have to go through. Let me pick a picture that I want to show you. Let's use this picture over here. Okay, the image is uploading, and guys, there we go. We can clearly see that they have removed the background for our image in very simple steps. Like it has just taken around 5 seconds for them to remove this image. And as you can see, this image has been removed, its background so clearly, like you can just see the image is clear and so beautiful. So guys, this is something that you can do, and the site that you can use to offer such services is this site here called Fiverr. Let me just take you through by showing you such services background. You can just see here in the first section. So you can see the results for background removal, and this gig is one of the best selling because you can see that there are 47,416 services. This means that 47,416 people are selling such services on Fiverr. So guys, you can just try this out. You can log in into Fiverr, you can sign up in Fiverr and create such a gig and use this site called Remove BG to remove background images. The second job that you can do at home is digital service testing. This digital service testing includes web app, user testing, or commenting on blog. So guys, let me just show you again here on Fiverr such services: commenting on blog posts. Let us see how many people are offering such services. There are 4,546 people offering this service. Guys, this is an opportunity for you to try out. Try this out. Sign up for Fiverr, create this gig, and you will definitely get your client. You can also do web app user testing. Let me show you. Web app testing. This is something that you can do at the comfort of your home using laptop, or even if you're just having your phone, you should just make sure that you have internet to offer such service. So you can see the first person, the first seller that just shown up in my screen is this person who is selling this gig, and she has just written out that she will test your web, desktop, mobile app, or site, and this person is selling this gig starting from $25. So guys, you can just see all these are people selling on Fiverr, and they're just testing apps, or rather they're just testing websites, and they're getting money. So why should you be there at home and wonder and complain like, I don't have skills, what will I do? I don't have skills. What will I sell on Fiverr? Try this out. Go to Fiverr, sign up, open this gig, and you'll thank me later. The third gig that you can do at home without any skill is doing beta reading. So guys, what is beta reading? Beta reading, this happens when someone has written a book and he or she wants someone who can go through the book and give out like a genuine comment, or rather a genuine review about the article, or rather about the book that he or she has written. So let us try out beta writing and see how many people are offering such service, so that you can see if you can try that out, or rather the opportunities for such jobs. As it is loading, beta reading is a service that you can do at the comfort of your home. So there are 147 services available. So this means probably there are 147 people offering this service. So guys, this means that there's a low competition in this gig, and it is an opportunity that you cannot let it pass. Try this out. Sign up for Fiverr, open that gig, create that gig, and offer this service called beta writing. And guys, you will go back home, you will be at home, right? You would rather be at home and be smiling because you'll be earning cash. So guys, another job that you can do at home is being a transcriber. So who is a transcriber? A transcriber is one who transcribes. Like a transcriber is one who listens to podcasts or meetings or even podcasts and puts the video into writing. So guys, this is something that you can do whether you have professional skills or not. This is something that you can do as long as you can understand the language that the meeting was all about. You can try out. So let us see transcribing services in Fiverr. Yes, you can see these are people offering transcribing services, and these people are really selling on Fiverr, because you can see this one here has almost 1,000 reviews, 1,000 positive reviews. So guys, you can try this out. Do not let this opportunity pass you, because as time goes by, people continue flooding on Fiverr. So the earlier the better. Go sign up on Fiverr and check transcribing gigs out. The fifth job that you should try out is being a virtual assistant. So who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is an individual who provides administration services to clients while working remotely. So a VA, or rather a virtual assistant, can make calls, can schedule appointments, can make travel arrangements, or even can manage email accounts. So this is, also you can just see that these are tasks that you can do. So long as you know how to speak English, you have good English skills, like you can write, you can do basic typing, so on and so forth. You can try out these jobs at home. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I want to believe that you try these jobs out. You can do transcribing, you can do commenting on blog posts, you can be a virtual assistant, you can remove background for your images, and you can also do beta reading. Guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch this video and you will not be left out. Guys, take me to 100 subscribers so that I can continue producing more content, and so that you can also uplift my spirit. We can also grow in this YouTube channel together. Thank you. Peace.